just to make sure there's nothing loose out there. And Armando just staring on, tightening up the glove. This is probably his best competition. See what he has planned for us, always pulling out something new. We're ready to go. Still holding it, adding the theatrics. Now let's see if he brings it down, or no, he's still dancing. This back to BKT tires moving back and forth, bringing it down. Still has 1 10 remaining. And Toro Loco, here he goes. Goes right back to the center of the pod and move all the way across. Just a great move from Berto. Let's see what he has planned. This monster mud Rottweiler. Competitors who turns around that bike and you see him getting set up. So give it up for Taylor.
Let's get those scores on people. Now Los Angeles, the crowd last night was alright, but I think that you guys can get the job done. I want you to blow the roof off of the crypto.com arena as soon as you see our superstars hit that ramp. Get ready! All right, blow the roof off! Los Angeles, you have been a wonderful crowd all afternoon, and you asked so nicely that you shall receive. All right, Monster Jam fans, let's give it up for
Friendly from Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina, Weston Anderson, Gravedigger. And in the black lane, he took yesterday's racing competition victory. Can he do it again? The man from Ogden, Utah, Mike Christensen, Vendetta. This is a rematch from yesterday's final. Vendetta was able to take out Weston Anderson. Gravedigger. Does that happen again here today, or does Weston get his revenge? Let's go! Earthshaker moving on. Let me hear ya. Devin calm and collected. Weston Anderson made the finals yesterday, but was unable to take the victory. Can he do so here today? They're trying to get set at the line. Caleb Blood looking on there. Who's he facing off against? We'll find out here soon. Earthshaker set. Gravedigger set.